In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you fix Claude AI keeps saying taking longer than usual. So the very first thing you want to do is check the server status of Claude. To do that, close this, launch your preferred browser, type in Claude server down. Now navigate to the website status.claudeai.com. Once you're in this page, you can check if Claude is facing any issues. If there are any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. So check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, clear your browser cache and cookies. Launch your browser, click on three dots. Then select the option clear browsing data. Select the time range and confirm it. Likewise, you can try in incognito mode. Click on the option new incognito tab. Then navigate to the official website of Claude, log into your account and use it. In case you are using the app, check for app update. You can navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Claude, and if you see the option update, click on it. Also, you can switch between Claude AI app and the web version. And that's it. With these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.